What activity are we doing, Lisa? Tell me.
We're doing the soda can experiment. So it's where you carefully take a screwdriver and carefully plunge your screwdriver into the can so you make little holes. And you get a pitcher full of water, and you get a string and tie it to the top of the can. So after you fill up your pitcher of water, dip your can in it and hang it somewhere, like up there. Like there, somewhere that you can hang it, and then just see how it turns out.
And then what part of science is this?
This is oh my God. Force experiment.
Force and what?
Force in mass and motion experiment.
Okay.
Here we go.